how to unban your WhatsApp. Welcome everyone. I'm Sam Ayorinde. Stay with me. In this short video, let me quickly show you how you can unban your permanently banned WhatsApp number, either WhatsApp business or official WhatsApp, even if it was permanently banned. So this is what you will write. Let me highlight it so you can see. This is what you will send to them, as you can see. So with this trick, if you are able to unban your WhatsApp number or you have a question, drop your question in the comment box. I will respond to you ASAP. You need more help, feel free to message me on WhatsApp. And also, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let's get started. I don't know, maybe you have already tried it by yourself and WhatsApp have sent this kind of message to you like, we have completed your review and found this account activity did not follow the WhatsApp business. Not only people that are sending message say that the algorithm do flag their accounts. Even if you set up your ads account and maybe you don't set your ad account very well, maybe you just start running ads and unfortunately WhatsApp banned your account, this also works for you. So first thing to do, make sure you get your screenshot like this. Once they ban your WhatsApp number, just make sure you get a screenshot like this or like this. Okay, so let's dive in. So this is my chat with WhatsApp team. So before you can unban your WhatsApp, okay, you need another number. Okay, most people don't know that they can use two WhatsApp. So if you already know, but if you don't know, you can use two WhatsApp on your phone, on the same phone. So maybe your WhatsApp account was banned, just make sure you go ahead and download official WhatsApp. Okay, so I will show you where to go and how to chat them up. And I know that so many people know about it, but they don't know the content that they will send to the WhatsApp team. So as you can see, this is my chat, and after 24 hours, after 24 hours they unbanned the WhatsApp business because of the content I sent to them. Okay, it depends on, they are human also, and if you send them a very compelling content message, they will surely unban your WhatsApp number. Okay, so this is what you need to do. Find another number and sign up with another number on another WhatsApp account. Okay, if they ban WhatsApp account, create another, download official WhatsApp and sign up and use it to chat them up. Okay, but if they ban the second account of official WhatsApp and you have WhatsApp business already, just go ahead and chat them up. Okay, so as you can see here, I sent my screenshot to them and this is the message they sent to me. Okay, so they said, I want you to read this thing very well. I don't want this video to be long. So see, we appreciate your feedback. We understand that this may have caused confusion, but this is the intended functionality. It is currently not possible to turn this feature off. So they are telling me that they can't do it immediately, but after 24 hours they will surely do that. So after 24 hours they unban my number, and as you can see, that is how I've been able to unban my WhatsApp number. But how will you get to this interface? Some people have known it already, but for you that don't know, let me show you. So as you can see, once you sign up on your WhatsApp, you have this, your WhatsApp like this, your WhatsApp chat like this, as you can see. So you need to come here, this, you can see this top right corner here, click on that three dotted line. As you can see, you see settings here, settings. So click on settings. So once you click on settings, just scroll down here and you will see something like help. Okay, help. So click on help and you see something here, help center. So click on help center, and as you can see, you don't need to press anything here. Just go ahead and click on contact us. Okay, contact us. Just click on contact us and you'll be directed to one of their teams. So this is it, this is their inbox. So just go ahead and copy the content I sent to you. I said you will use this content, so this is what you will copy and send to them. Okay, so if you have your content already, you can just try this one I'm showing you. Don't try, you have tried the one already, so and it didn't work, so just try the one I'm showing you now. So just copy like this. So these are content here. I've pasted this and we can go ahead now and click on next. Can you see? So also send my question to WhatsApp support. Can you see here? This is what you will click on. Don't click anything here, and this is it. And see, boom. As you can see, I've sent it to them, and they will ask you to send a screenshot. Okay. So you attach the screenshot like this. So once you attach the screenshot like this, they will send you message like if they need more help, like you should send your contact again, your WhatsApp number again, you can send it to them, or they need more screenshots, you can just send the screenshot again to them. And after that, so leave it for like 24 hours to 48 hours, and I'm surely believe that they will surely unban your WhatsApp with that trick if you follow my guide. Okay, within few minutes I sent this message 6:47 and they answered me 6:52. Within just 5 minutes they responded to me and they detected that my account is active. Okay, so as you can see that they are very active and they will surely unban your WhatsApp. Okay, just do that and I await your testimony in the comment section. Okay, thank you, bye for now. So if you need more help, you can feel free to message me on WhatsApp. This is my contact and I'm Samuel. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye for now.